Last startup for today is Backendless or Backendless. So,
which one?
Yeah, that's next slide. So where are you from?
Ukraine, Kiev.
Hey, Kiev. Well, cool. You're playing a home game in this home theater walls, a soccer stadium. So go ahead. You have 5 minutes.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. First of all, I want to thank Victoria Tegipko and all organizers of this wonderful event. It's very encouraging to see in Ukraine, and I'm very excited to present Backendless, which is cloud mobile backend as a service that helps to build better applications faster. So we all know that the future is mobile, but going mobile is expensive. In order to develop a mobile application, you will need a team of developers. You will need front-end developers and back-end developers. On average, the back-end development takes about 50% of the project. So if you get away with a few months, you're lucky. And also, you will be forced to take care of such issues as caching, hosting, security, and scalability issues if your app grows. So we provide a solution to that, and our solution is a universal backend that's provided as a service in the cloud. And here's the pitch. Backendless is a general-purpose development and runtime platform that enables developers to build mobile, browser, and desktop applications without server-side coding. So the basically product is a set of APIs that can be accessed through native SDKs and managed in the developer web console. Also need to mention that we use the underlying layer, the platform as a service, as Amazon, and whenever your app is under high load, we will scale it smoothly. So the target market, our Backendless user is anyone building a mobile application. Target audience is 2 million developers worldwide and thousands of enterprises that want to go mobile. Gartner estimates that the market penetration or adoption of this concept is only in the range of from 1 to 5%. So there is plenty of room to grow. It's also predicted that it will be a $7 billion market in 4 years. Our main competitor is Parse that has been acquired by Facebook in this year. You probably heard that for $82 million. Also, there are some other backend providers that started earlier. Some big players are trying to come in this market, but it's like very limited and not actually the backend. Amazon is recently provided push notifications. Salesforce is running like a solution called Go Instant, and Google is started also some. So why Backendless is unique? First of all, it's ease of use. You don't need server-side coding, and you can take care of your project without server-side team. It's very usable. We have a very low learning curve and powerful UI console to manage all the settings of your application. Rich feature set, I don't have time to go over that deeply, so I just go through it. It's user management, managing registration, logins, etc. Push notifications, media streaming, you can broadcast or record audio and video on the server. Messaging service, geolocation, relational data, file management, code generation, and app versioning. You can run multiple versions of your application with a shared data schema between tables. So part of our vision is to provide integration tools for an enterprise backend integration, so it could be easier integrated with ERP, SCM, and CRM databases. The Backendless Backendless provides SDKs for all popular environments. So we support JavaScript, Android, iOS, Windows Phone, and also Flex and their clients. You also can get access via REST. So we operate a freemium model and have pay-as-you-go subscription plan. Whenever you go over the free limitations, your credit card will be charged. But it's a very flexible pricing. You will have to pay only for what you actually use. The other part of our solution is a self-hosted downloadable product, which means Backendless out of the box. This is for large enterprises that, by some reason, can't store their data in the cloud. So they can deploy Backendless in their data center on local servers. And it will be, and the pricing for this is like standard enterprise licensing.
You have 20 seconds left.
Also, we have a vision of a marketplace that any developer will be able to package their server-side functions through our solution, and it will generate APIs for that. So it's run by a very experienced team. We have offices in Dallas and Ukraine, and some traction. We've been 7 months in beta and have 3,500 subscribers. Also, Gartner recently recognized us as a sample vendor in cloud mobile backend services.
Okay.
That's it. Thank you. I'm ready to answer your questions.
Thank you. I love the tagline, "We've got your backhand."
Sorry, I already spoke with you guys this morning, but so I know a little bit more maybe. Just another question popped up. How your backend handles high load? Because my intuitive feeling is that if you build something generic, something universal, you definitely kind of lose compared to something which is built specifically for the logic of a particular application. So your generic backend, does it handle load as efficiently as a specific backend?
He needs a mic.
We provide our server on Amazon, and our server is scalable. So if we have high-low, Cloud Balancer tell us that we should start new instances, and we do it. So if any new clients go, it won't feel any trouble. Is it clear?
Okay, my question is...
This is not exactly what I meant. I mean, of course you create new instances, but still your code will contain a lot of redundancies, you know, so it will not work as efficient as a kind of code which is specific for business logic of an application.
Can I ask a question? So my understanding is you will charge basically app developers, so they're supposed to sell apps that monetize well, so they'll pay you, right? But there are a bunch of, for example, bunch of tools to make front-end app builders, but none of the top grossing apps or apps that gross at any level is made with those app builders. People build custom apps. Why do you think that people who want to build app and make a lot of money will use your tool set rather than build custom backend?
Well, you see, the backend part is the part that nobody sees and nobody really cares about as long as the application works. So we allow app developers to take care of user experience and concentrate and focus on the client side, so they can build competitive apps.
What you're saying is that backend is not essential part of application. I'm sorry, I fully disagree with that. The backend is essential part of any application.
No, of course, but if the user don't see it, No. I just meant that the end users of the application do not see how it works inside, right?
Doesn't mean it shouldn't work efficiently.
Of course, if your app is not working, you don't have a backend, right? So, but we allow app developers to focus on the user experience.
I have a question. The competitive landscape is actually quite crowded. Can you tell us a little bit about how you're better than that group or different?
Yeah, we have a nice web console that I believe nobody has. We also are going to provide this marketplace. It's our vision. Enterprise version of the platform. We have also some features. Yeah, of course, features can be copied over time, but we also have media streaming and audio, so you can build video chat, or we also support that. And we have an application version in.
And one final quick question: the 3,500 users you have, app developers, are any of them paying, or are they just free users?
We are starting to have in some of clients, some customers, first paying customers. But right now we are still in beta and we work on packaging the product.
Okay. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank
Give
you.
them a round of applause.